What's up guys, Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you were looking at a 2009 Yamaha Vstar 1100 Classic, guys. Check this awesome bike out. This bike's in great shape, guys. I had a 2008 myself. It was a custom. Great first bike. Look at this. This is like a little foggy, sorry about that. It's kind of like real fall, like humidity in here. It's real weird. It's real cold inside, and the temp outside just spiked to like 60 degrees. We got a little scuff right there. I tried wiping everything down like 5 times. It just keeps happening, so I'm just gonna roll with it. It's got stock everything. It's got these horrible looking bags. Please, 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 if you buy this bike, rip these bags off as quickly as possible. It's gonna look way better without it. Big old, just get like a back bag for the sissy bar. Big old floorboards. It's really nice Silverado windshield. So I actually really like that. It's got a couple little scratches on the front fender there, not a huge deal. So in really good shape. It's got the crash bars, like I said, heel toe shifter. It's got this really nice big wide Mustang seat, sissy bar. Alright, let's see here. 20,204 miles, guys. This is in really, really nice shape. But the one thing, the major flaw I do want to note is that it does have a little dent and a scratch right there on the tank. A little chip and dent, if you can see that. Not a huge deal, guys. This is going to be your first or second bike. And you know you're probably not going to keep it for a while, but you just want something a little bit bigger to crush the highway with or ride. You're 1 foot into riding and with something that you just want to be able to do a little bit more distance to see if you really want to spend big bucks on getting a really nice bike. This is definitely the bike for you. And this is also a bike that if you buy, you could keep it for a really long time, if not keep it forever. So, like I said, guys, 2009 Vstar 1100 Classic. It's got some flaws. It's got that little scratch and dent on the tank. But this is a great bike for what it is. Let me know if you're interested, guys. I can ship it anywhere in the United States. I can ship outside the United States, but it's a little trickier. And thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure to check out the test drive video on this, as well as check us out Srkcycles, check us out Bikes and Beards, and also check us out Srkcycles Instagram. Thanks so much for watching, guys.